So I want to do a quick introduction video, kind of explaining what this channel is. I think this is a good idea because when I look back on it, I can able to, what I said at the start, did I stick to it? And also, if someone comes across this channel, they know what the fuck is going on, and gives them a bit more information about if this channel is for them. So it's a trading futures channel. I'll be trading live accounts, prop firm accounts, and when I say transparent, I'll get into that, but it's just going to be documenting the journey. I've allocated a decent amount of time, I've got allocated a decent amount of time for this. I want to take this seriously this year, and yeah, this YouTube channel is going to help make me be accountable to myself, and also it'll be a good way for me to learn through a more visual journal, and it's another commitment, so it's another thing which is related to trading, and it's a good habit to get into as well. Going over, my trades, but I'll get into that. It's not going to be any fake dopamine, no ridiculous win rates and ridiculous amount of strategies. It's going to be the same strategy every day, repeated, live as well. And yeah, it's just going to be no crazy edits to attract the viewer and try to sell you some bullshit. It's not going to be any of that. It's just a journal documentary page. I'll be doing daily recaps each day, Monday to Friday, of the trades I took, the trades I didn't take, the reasons I didn't take trades, potentially the reasons I did take trades, how much I made, how much I lost. So extremely transparent with each day. And I'll also be streaming live as well, 8 till 10 and 2 till 4 UK time. So if you want to come live or see some live trading, come join me in those hours. Pretty much every platform that does streaming, so it'll be linked in the bio. Sundays I'll try and do outlooks. I say try because it's not set in my rules to do it. Monday to Friday definitely is. I will not miss a day unless I'm ill or there's a justification for it. Sundays though, I will try and get as many outlook sessions as I can, so a rundown of the week, what I expect, what happened, what didn't I expect, did something weird happen, and also what I expect going into the new week and the Monday, so a more like futuristic side of it as well. In terms of playlists, I want to have a whole playlist on the concepts you need, and it's literally just the die-hard concepts you need. No 50 concepts with fucking 55 different win rates. Same models, same concepts, coherently made into a set of videos, maybe 5 to 8 long videos I'll do. But it's pretty much all to be the same because, in my opinion, it's not the amount of educational content videos I do which is going to make you the person watching a better trader. Even myself when I trade, that's not going to help me trade. What's going to help me trade is having an experience. Say, for example, it's a Tuesday and it's lunch and I do a trade and it fails. Understanding why, based on data, is more important to be successful than just learning a concept on how you could trade, if you get what I'm saying. A big part of this channel I want to cover is risk and psychology. People just aren't talking about this really, and it's really fucking important. It's not all about the models and the strategy, and if you trade SMC or ICT or whatever the bullshit, literally does not matter. Literally doesn't even matter. You could have the worst fucking model or strategy in the world and have amazing risk and psychology. When I say psychology, I mean like good habits, following rules, your mindset. If that's all in check and you're applying good risk on a shit model, you'll make money. You'll make fucking loads of money. Because in trading, it's not based on how good your model is or how much time you have. It's all based on your decision making, your risk, and your psychology. That's it. I think that's most of what I wanted to cover. I will now do because I've already done it actually, but I'll add on my draw and liquidity section to this. explaining what I expect coming into tomorrow and the further week. But yeah, this is going to be my trading journal on YouTube, documentary kind of thing. Starting it now. I'm going to try and, I'm going to believe in myself and I'm going to make this work. And this is a way I can be, hold myself accountable. I want to do these videos. I actually would enjoy to make these videos and document myself and rewatch this and realize what I'm doing wrong. That's, I think, really valuable. So I'm looking forward to this. It's going to be fun. It's going to be good. It's going to be a grind. But yeah. Cool. That's the start of the journey. Everything's established. Hard. I will plug in the draw and liquidity video now. Okay, let's now do my draw on liquidity. It's Sunday 25th. That's about 9:30. Okay. And first, just looking at the daily time frame, getting an understanding of the bigger time frame draw. Which is really important. Okay, so first off, just by looking at this, we're bullish, and we might, or potentially will come and seek this buy side level in the coming weeks. That would be something I could potentially see. Notice the strength here. ES much stronger than NQ. We're looking like ES is going to sweep this, whereas NQ we've got room. If I was bearish, I'd need to see action like this, disrespecting bullish PD arrays. And currently we're looking very bullish, very strong. Lots of daily fair value gaps created. So my draw on a bigger time frame is bullish. Currently in a small daily fair value gap right now. Which is being held. We could potentially expect an expansion move. We retrace now to this fair value gap, we might expand. In the 4 hour time frame now, notice the higher time frame draws higher. So we come in, tap the daily, we've now swept some from sell side here. So on a smaller time frame, this would be your turtle soup entry, bigger time frame. Fair value gap, sweep liquidity, displacement. This is a nice long coming into the week. Apologies if this is all, well actually this is my self-journal, so I don't really give a fuck, but these concepts are going to sound pretty mad if you don't know them, but I'll make concept videos on it, so just wait for that. Okay, so very bullish. We're looking like this is going to be the draw for this week. Maybe expand to the external draw. That's the 4 hour time frame. What's the hour time frame looking like? So coming into Monday, which is 26th here. Here's my trading time, so this is when I'll get up. It all depends. If we're here in the morning, then we've already taken the objective. We've already taken buy side, so I'll be a little bit less happy with taking a trade. Bear in mind, actually, it's also a summer bank holiday, so I don't really know if that's even going to affect. Well, no, it definitely will affect the market, but in terms of if I'm going to take a trade, it's not going to affect that. I probably still won't take a trade purely because there's also no news tomorrow. So the fact that it's a summer holiday does affect my trading, but I wasn't going to trade anyway. So I don't know. It's actually good timing. I quite like it. Anyway, we have our draw on liquidity. However, if we're down here and Monday opens, then I will be looking at longs, targeting this buy side level, and then potentially leaving a runner to the high. 15-minute time frame. Nothing I really like here. I mean, we're starting to create this hourly fair value gap, but it kind of looks a bit washed, to be honest. There's nothing here I really like. I mean, I will mark in this low here. We have kind of equal lows here and the fair value gap. And I will mark in also this low, so recent swing low. We're going into the, I'll see how these levels react. But then coming up here, that's all really for ES. I do want to see NQ here and see if there's any SMTs. NQ. Splitting this daily, pushing back up. Draw is, yep, draw's higher. Let's mark in London Open here. Came back, rebalanced price, didn't see any sort of sell side. Well, we did, but no. No level I really care about. Okay, so external draws buy side and internal draws buy side. So that's good that the pair lines up, correlated. That's first a good observation. Going into the day, I'll be watching again this level here. This is my resting. This will be my turtle soup entry. Targeting this high and then the external high. And then there's actually one more high after that, but I don't expect to see that all on Monday. So yeah, that's my draw on liquidity. So I will tomorrow, after the days happen, I'll do a review on the day, what trades I made, what trades I didn't make. Again, if I do take a trade, it'll be the smallest amount of size, purely because there's no news and it's a summer bank holiday, so it's just going to be, the probabilities are just so skewed from those conditions that it's not even worth taking a trade. But if there is an A+ setup, which I like and aligns with this model, then I will use one contract. If I haven't, if tomorrow I say I've used more than one contract, I've broken my rules, because I should not be using more than one contract for these conditions. Like this is just aids. Draws higher. Bang. See you tomorrow.